Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the best smartwatches of 2024. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, tech-savvy, or just want a stylish way to stay connected, we've got you covered. We'll compare top contenders, their features, design, performance, and price points to help you find the perfect smartwatch. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, you won't want to miss this. Check out the links in the description for more details and to make your purchase. Let's kick things off with the Apple Watch Series 9. It's sleek, premium, and screams Apple. The Series 9 packs serious health and fitness tracking features, advanced heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level tracking, and fall detection. The workout tracking is top-notch, supporting a wide range of activities. Seamless integration with iOS, notifications, calls, and messages right from your wrist. Tons of great apps specifically designed for the Apple Watch. However, it's only compatible with iPhones. Battery life is still a bit of a pain point, likely needing nightly charging. Overall, a fantastic smartwatch for iPhone users. If you're looking for the best, this should be at the top of your list. Next up, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. For Android users, this is the smartwatch to watch. Samsung offers a compelling alternative to the Apple Watch. The Galaxy Watch 6 boasts a sleek design with a beautiful AMOLED display, available in 2 sizes and various finishes. Powered by Samsung's Exynos processor, it performs smoothly. Comprehensive health and fitness tracking, including heart rate and sleep monitoring. Automatic workout detection for a wide range of activities. Seamless integration with Android smartphones. Notifications, calls, messages, and smart home control from your wrist. A top choice for Android users. Chapter 3. Garmin Fenix 7. Built for the outdoors. This is the smartwatch for adventurers and athletes. The Fenix 7's rugged build quality is impressive. Made from premium materials like titanium and sapphire crystal glass. Built to withstand harsh conditions, perfect for hiking, biking, or swimming. Packed with advanced sensors and features for serious athletes. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo support, barometric altimeter, and pulse oximeter. Supports a wide range of sports and activities. Provides incredibly detailed performance data. A niche device, but perfect for those with an active lifestyle. If you're serious about training, the Fenix 7 is in a league of its own. Not for everyone, but unmatched in its category. Chapter 4. Fitbit Sense 2, Health and Wellness Guru. This smartwatch focuses on health and wellness. Advanced stress tracking using heart rate variability and skin temperature. Provides personalized insights and recommendations for stress management. Sleep tracking, blood oxygen level monitoring, and ECG functionality. A mini health clinic on your wrist. Includes notifications, music control, and a growing app ecosystem. Sleek and stylish design. Prioritizes health without compromising on style or functionality. Chapter 5. Fossil Gen 7 Style and Versatility Combined. This smartwatch is all about style and versatility. Fossil brings their fashionable watch design to the smartwatch world. Available in various styles, case finishes, bands, and watch faces. Easily swap out bands to match your outfit or mood. Runs on Google's Wear OS platform. Access to Google Assistant, Google Pay, and Google Fit. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Great for those who switch between Android and iPhone. A stylish and versatile smartwatch that performs well. The choice is yours. Which smartwatch will you choose? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. We've covered a lot today, from the premium Apple Watch Series 9 to the rugged Garmin Fenix 7. Each offers something unique, and the best one for you depends on your needs and preferences. Find all the links to these amazing smartwatches in the description below. Happy shopping!